Hello guys, welcome back to PentesterClub. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called a Doctor. So what's the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. Now let's open the terminal. Now first you just type your as a sudo su, enter your password, then later you just type your as net discount minus I80. So I have identified my target mission is here. Now you just quit now. You just type it as nmap minus 34 minus a is an aggressive scan and enter our target IP address. Now let's wait for the nmap result. Now I have got the nmap result. One is available with SSH, another one is available with port 8. Now let's open the new terminal. Now first we would like to try to visit to the targeted port 8. Now enter your target IP address 192.168.18.183. Let's we can see here it's like a document. It's a healthcare for whole family. Let's we would like to try to exploit it here. Copyright with the 2025. All rights are reserved with the template by coloring. We would like to look here as page source. In the page source we not get any useful information. So let it be. Now let's come back here. First, we would like to go with as Gobuster. Then I would like to go with as Enigto, where there is nothing else. So we would like to try to find inside only with this targeted website. Now we would like to look here. I just quit from here. Now come back. Let's close this. Now this is a home directory as index.html, department.html. Like we can look here: eye care, physical therapy, dental care, diagnostic test, skin surgery, surgery services, blog. It's blog like Google Links a packed. So it's quite like quite interesting here. That we would like to look here as a single blog. In a single blog also quite interesting. Now pages elements quite interesting. So it's quite interesting also here to look. Now we would like to look here info with the document.com. Now make an appointment, like pick up a date. Let's just put today date is suitable time. Let's just put here as name test. Let's just enter test@gmail.com. Try here. That's it. Here we're not getting anything else apart from here. Contact, nothing else. So went a wrong here. Now we would like to look here as a doctor.html. So there are like a particular doctors to do this here, qualified doctors. Now we would like to look the page source here. So in the page source, now we would like to look here. department block. So from here, we would like to try here where we would like to try this here only the images with the business dot png, not to get anything else as a useful here. Let me get a try here as a doctor.html only. Now, how to identify it here as this? So, it's quite interesting. Now, I would like to try to visit only to the doctor. Now, you try here as a inspect the elements from here. Now, we can try to understand from here. Welcome to a doctor area. We would like to test here. No, no have. Let's we just close this. If you open the head, CSS, okay. Uh, Now, I would like to try to inspect the elements from here. Now, where you can look here, a href, okay. You can get here with a doctor item dot php include equal to a doctor dot html. So, here, quite interesting here. Now, we have got this one. Let me just type here as clear. Now, here also, we not yet anything else, so let me just type here as clear. Now, you just type here as cul minus sx, you just type here as get. Now, you just post here http 192.168.18.183. Then, just put here as a doctor item. So, even you can copy from here. Inner HTML. I just copy this one. Let me just paste here. No? Edit as a HTML. So once we have copied, let's just paste here. Come back, post this, copy. Now let's utilize here. Just paste this one. Yeah, that's it. Oh, sorry. Let me just type here as clear. Now I have got this entirely the doctor.html. Quite interesting here. Now let me just type here as clear. Now in this case, I would like to utilize here as a etc as password. Let's try here. Yes, I have got it here as a etc.password. Now, where there is no root to get access, then where you can look here as a admin. Quite interesting. That have a password. Then SHD. Quite interesting here. Now, once we have here as SHD. Now, we would like to try to go to the admin. Then we try to get into the SSH credentials. So let me just type here as clear. Now, in this case, let's try here as home admin dot sh. Then you just put here as id underscore rsa. That's it. How this local file inclusion works very clear. So where we have got this a local file inclusion. Oh, sorry. We just copy. We just here as nano id underscore rsa. Let me just paste here. Type Control O, Control X. Let me just type here as clear. Now we just utilize here as a RSA crack minus K for ID underscore RSA. Then what list is user share a word list a rocky.txt. That's it. Now it will try to find the password. Then let's we just try here as a set a admin. Enter your target. Type here as 192.168.18.183. It will ask this. Oh, sorry, permission is denied by public key. CHMOD 600 ID underscore RSA. Now, let me just type here as clear minus ID underscore RSA. Now it asks the password is unicorn. So we have identified the password also. Let's just paste here. So where we have logged into successfully to the admin doctor. Now just type here as admin. We have successfully logged in here. Now we would like to try to here pwd. Now you just type here as list minus f. You just type here as cat a user.txt. We have find a user flag. Now later we just try here try to find as writable. You just type here as a type f2 is greater than dev r. Now just put here as grep pie where proc to home. Now where we can get somewhat quite interesting here, like system. We have find here as a etc password. I can make it here where we can look here list minus l as a etc as password. Quite interesting here. It have a read and write permission. Now I would like to go here opening this. You just type here as open SSL as password minus 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I have got this as a password here. Now utilizing this as the password. Now let's just come back here. Let me just type here as clear. Now just type here as grep to get a root. Okay, let's just put here as etc password where it have. Now you just put here as nano as etc password. Oh, sorry. Nano etc password. Now in this X place, what else you have generated here? Just copy. Oh, sorry. Let you just copy, come back here, paste over there. That's it. Type Control O, Control X. That's it. Now it asks, you just put here as SU. Ask the password. Enter your password. Where you have successfully came to the root. You can see a CD root list minus a, just write it as cat a root.txt. So where we have identified the uh, root flag also. That's it. So try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.